Hi there, and welcome to the GeoNix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up a proxy in the WhoLogin anti-detect browser. Once the browser is open, head over to the proxy section. Here you'll see two options. You can either import a list of proxies or add them manually. To add one manually, click the plus icon next to Add Proxy. In the new field that appears, enter a name for the proxy. Choose the protocol you are using, in our case we'll go with SOX5, and then input the IP address and port using a colon as shown in the example. If you're using a private proxy, make sure to include the username and password as well in the corresponding fields. Once all the details are filled out, confirm by clicking the green checkmark. To make sure everything is working, simply select your proxy from the list and click Check Proxy. That's it. Your proxy is now set up. The next time you create a new profile, you can easily assign the proxy by clicking on the proxy icon in the proxy settings section. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.